Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of resetting your DNS settings in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To begin resetting your DNS settings, first search for Command Prompt in your Windows search bar. Once it appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This will open the Command Prompt window with administrative privileges. In this window, type the following command: ipconfig /flushdns. After typing the command, press the Enter key. You should see a message indicating that the DNS resolver cache has been successfully flushed, which effectively means your DNS settings have been reset in Windows 11. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.